In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeFi staking on Binance. Whether you're new to decentralized finance or just looking to expand your staking options, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and clear. Let's dive into it. First things first, make sure you have the Binance app installed on your mobile device. Once you're in, start by navigating to the More option. Here you'll find a myriad of services offered by Binance, but for our purposes, you'll want to tap on Simple Earn. This section is essentially the gateway to all the staking products available, and it's designed to be user-friendly, especially if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency staking. Now, as you browse through the Simple Earn section, you'll see a variety of DeFi staking products. Cryptocurrencies like DOT, BNB, and ADA are among the popular choices. Take your time here to explore these options, as each one comes with its own set of potential rewards and staking conditions. If you're unsure which crypto to stake, consider looking into how each asset has performed historically, or what experts might predict for its future. Once you've made a decision on which cryptocurrency you'd like to stake, simply select it and tap on the subscribe button. This button is your ticket to initiating the staking process. Don't worry, you're still in control, and you won't be committing to anything just yet. Next up is a crucial step, entering the amount you wish to stake. This decision depends largely on your investment strategy and comfort level with cryptocurrency risks. Keep in mind the funds you stake will be locked for a specified period, depending on the terms of the staking product you've chosen. Before moving on, carefully review the terms and conditions presented. These terms often detail the staking duration, potential returns, and any risks involved. Once you're satisfied and have agreed to the terms, tap Confirm to finalize your staking subscription. As you proceed to stake your crypto, remember that the rewards you earn will be distributed in line with the product's specific cycle and conditions. Staking can vary greatly from one crypto asset to another in terms of return rates and distribution timelines. This distribution is typically done at the end of the staking cycle, but it could vary depending on the selected staking product. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now well equipped to start staking crypto through DeFi on Binance. It's a fantastic way to earn passively from your digital assets, and with Binance's platform, managing and optimizing your investments is made straightforward and convenient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy staking.